Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can quickly and easily resize the app icons on your iPhone on iOS 18. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, be sure to write comments after watching the video, and let's get started with you friends. I will say that after the update to iOS 18, changing the size of app icons has become even more convenient. You won't need to go into your phone's settings to do this. You will just need to tap any of the app icons, it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to, let's say, tap Settings. Next, friends, choose the option called Edit Home Screen. And as you can see, all the icons start to shake. Now you're going to have to click on Edit at the top on the left-hand side, and then select the second option here. And here, folks, in order to resize the app icons, you're just going to have to switch between these two options. As you can see, you're usually standardized to this size right here. Normal icons, but you can attract to a bigger one, and they'll get bigger before your eyes. But keep in mind that when you increase the size of the icons, the lettering underneath them will disappear. If this is important to you, then leave the smaller size of the icons. If not, then you can choose the larger one. To save such changes, just tap on the screen of your iPhone. And as you can see, immediately all the icons remain large. Here is such a very simple quick method to resize iOS 18 app icons on your iPhone with ease. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe, also put your likes and write your comments. See you soon.